everybody, it's Tim Gillette, and I don't know if you can hear me from a distance. I'm not right in front of the computer. I'm over here for a reason today. I'm talking to you about blog and video and affecting your sales. And I wanted to do that while doing something that most people say I never do. See, I'm going to fold my laundry while I talk to you about this today. See, I went to the store today to get gas in my truck, or diesel in my truck, because I have a diesel. And while I'm there, this guy comes up and he says, "Hey, I'm talking about this deal we've got going on at the store, which is a grocery store where I actually get my gas. It's got this deal going on today. If you get here today from us, all right, we're offering it to the customers here at your favorite grocery store, and you can get them from us right over here." And I forget what he was selling this product for, but it was, I don't know, 30, 40 bucks, but I immediately looked at it and I said, "Well, can I go in the store and get it?" And he goes, No, you got to get it from us. And I'm like, wait a minute. So you're at my grocery store, you're selling a product that I can't get in the grocery store, and you're doing it from the parking lot, and I've got to pay you cash. So immediately I thought, man, that doesn't sound right. Yeah, I know. You're going to watch Tim fold his laundry. He's not the greatest at folding laundry, but I can do it, all right, just for the record. So, I come home and I research the product, because I can't get it in the grocery store. I didn't have any cash on me, because most of the time I don't carry cash anymore. I only carry my cards. And I come home and research it and found out that I can buy the product at Target, Walmart, Amazon, and there was another one. I forget what it was. But anyway, I can get the product, and I can get it for $10 cheaper than what he was selling it for. And I just want to bring that up when I talk about blog and video today. Because so many people are out there trying to bypass the actual know, like, and trust system. They're not doing things to get you to know them. They're not doing things to get you to like them. They're trying to make the deal of a century by utilizing the spur-of-the-moment sale. The man had a total of, it takes to fill my truck, it took me a total of maybe 6 minutes to fill that truck. He had 6 minutes to become friends with me, try to convince me I should trust him, and then make the sale and get money from me. And he did not do that in 6 minutes' time. And then I come home and do research and found out that I could have got it cheaper somewhere else when I actually researched the product. You see, because the most of the time they don't realize is you're going to go home. People are going to, when they go networking, they meet people and they go, "Oh, well, I want to go home and I'll connect with you later." And when they connect later, they realize that they go home and research and find out all about you online. So, the best thing I can tell you is, no matter what your product or service is, if you're out there trying to make a quick buck, you're trying to do it without showing people that you can help them, you're not giving them a chance to know, like, and trust you, and you're losing sales. You see, you've got to show people you can help them. That's what a blog is for. You show them. You do something on the blog to help them. You do something on the video to help them. You show them that you can help. It's kind of like an example, showing people you can do something. Like I'm showing you right now that, yes, I can match my socks. This is an example because later on my wife's going to say, "Did Tim really do the laundry?" And you've got proof Tim did the laundry, because it's now on video. But imagine that in your world of how much more you would make in sales if they went home and got totally backed up what you tried to sell them. Do you think you'd make more sales next time? But what if you actually showed that you could help them online, and then showed them a place where they could still get the deal? Maybe not for the same price, but maybe for a little bit extra. You see, the bad part about that guy, what he did was, I could go home and find out that I can get it elsewhere cheaper. As opposed to some people, when we offer, like, we do when I speak at an event, or I do a sales pitch from the room, I've shown you by doing the speech of a way to help you. I've given you examples on how to help you. And then I make you an offer. And in making you that offer, I usually offer you a deal that you can't get anywhere else, thus making you want to act right then and there. So then when you go home and you do the research and you research online and you see a video like this and you realize that, oh yeah, he does help people. Oh yeah. And I should have taken him up on the deal because now I have to pay more. You see, but both places I did the same thing. I helped you first and then I asked for the money. Trying to make that quick sale doesn't always make that quick sale. That's all I wanted to share with you guys today, and I'm just about out of laundry. There's more in the washer that I'll get to eventually, but for now, I'm actually doing it here. I actually, see if I had glasses here. I don't know where I put my glasses so I can read the comments, but I moved them. That's the problem when you go to the laundry, is you move all your stuff, and you don't know where you put it. Oh, here's a pair over here. So let me go over here and see what the comments say. Let's see who's watching. David Vaughn's watching. So David's going to love the fact that I'm folding laundry wrong. Okay. And how can I come and broaden the minds of all the attendees at Blog and VideoCon? See, Tim is not airing his dirty laundry. No. Smart ass. David Vaughn, for the record, is a smart ass. Just for the record. So, David Vaughn, you can come to the Blog and VideoCon, and you can actually come and be a speaker and share with people what you know. All you have to do is go to Rock Around Your Blog. It's actually blogandvideocon.com. Click on the sponsors button, and we still have 2 speaker sponsor spots left, where you can actually be a sponsor and a speaker, and then get people to come to your table and connect with them. And to me, that is one of the best list building techniques that I would ever do. I'm not speaking. I'm actually a sponsor at another conference where I'll get a quick intro on the stage, and then I have a booth. And all I will do is get people to come to my booth and give me their name and email address. That's all I'm going to do at that conference. And I will build a relationship further after that. I will not try to make a sale there. Some people will probably buy a ticket to my event. I'll probably make them a heck of a deal to do it. But the whole purpose is to get the name and email address so that I can come back home. I can email them and say, hey, let me give you this training for free. And then I build a relationship so that by the time I'm ready to ask for the sale, they're ready to buy, and I give them a deal. I give them a value worth purchasing. So I hope this helps you guys today. That's all I wanted to talk about today. And yes, I did it while I was folding laundry, so you can tell my wife, if a man folds laundry and no one's there to see it, did he really do it? That's like if a man washes a dish and his wife isn't there to watch, did he really do it? Anyway, all these little things in life can make you fun or not fun. In the meantime, now I got to put the laundry away, and it's kind of hard to get the camera to follow with me while I go put laundry away. So I got to go do that. I'll catch you guys later. I'm Tim Gillette. Hope this helped. If this really did help you, though, do me a favor, leave a comment. And number 2, share it out to your audience and let them know. I'll talk to you later, man. Bye.